In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on the fast startup in Windows 11. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. What you need to do is just open up the start menu and right here, control panel. Once you open up the control panel, you need to head over to hardware and sound, and then we click on power options. And from here, we get the option of choose what the power button does. Click on that. And here you will see this option of turn on the fast startup that is recommended. I've already turned this on. If some settings are currently unavailable, like in this case, change the settings that are currently unavailable. You click on this option at the top and then you can enable that. So you just turn it on, and after that, just remember to save the changes from the bottom, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.